everyone, welcome back. I hope you are killing it out there. Please, if you have any questions, let me know. Today we are going to take another look at that single leg stretch, which is part of the stomach series. And because of that, what we were really going to work on is not only lengthening our muscles and getting a little bit more flexible, but being able to do these moves without changing the position of our bodies. So, as you know, we are coming out of our rolling like a ball, and then we're going into our single legs. Now, this nice C curve that we're in, we're going to keep these abs engaged, and we are going to try to bring our legs down. Now, I noticed that I need to counterbalance that by engaging my abs even more and lifting my back. As long as you're not cranking your neck, you should be getting your shoulders off the ground and really feeling that nice tightness in the ab muscles. So instead of coming up here, you're going to work to bring your leg as low as you can while maintaining good posture. So it'll come in, and then you're going to switch. Now sometimes when you're learning this, you can actually come up through here if it makes it easier, but eventually you do want to be able to keep that powerhouse engaged and keep your legs down. So let's give that a go, just a single leg stretch. So bringing your knees in, giving a nice exhale to engage those abs. Let's see how far you can lower your leg. Now, if you feel your back coming up off the mat, you definitely want to bring your leg up. Do not compromise your back. So with the right leg first, 5 times each side. And 1, and switch, and 2, and switch, 3, other side. You guys are doing a great job. 4, and switch, keep those abs in, 5, and switch, and then we'll bring our legs up and come up into the double leg stretch. All right, guys, here we go. Let's work through our whole series and try to get those single legs stretched out there as much as we can safely. Breathing in, exhale, come up, starting with the 100. And coming into the roll up for 6 times. Single leg circles, 5 times each direction. Switching legs. Bringing your legs in, rolling up and adjusting if you need. Rolling like a ball 6 times. Right into those single leg stretches. Double leg stretch. Bringing yourself up into spine stretch forward. Thank you very much for watching, guys. Again, work towards the goal of getting these legs lengthened and out there. If you can't yet, but you still want to build upon your other exercises and see what else you can do to work on, you can move on to the next video. Nothing has to be perfect as you move on. We're just going to keep building. I'm getting better. I am definitely not perfect. Like I said, I am not an instructor. I'm trying to get better at this as well with you. So guys, have a great week. Keep pushing. You can do it. You can reach your goals. Write them down. There's a lot of power in that. And I will see you for the next one.